Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself, CSK Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala Kent. Dear students, yesterday I had shared with you a very important segment of the lesson, which was relating to the adjustment in the closed accounts or the past adjustments, where we had learned how to make an adjustment entry with reference to any of the item which are left out or any of the error or mistake which is kept in the books of account and books of accounts being closed. Let's understand one more numerical problem relating to that aspect. Question number 43 say A, B, C and D are partner sharing profit in the ratio 2:2:1:1. They distributed the profit for the year ending 31st March 2020 rupees 9 lakh without providing for the following: salary to A at the rate of 15,000 per month, salary to B and D at the rate of 30,000 per quarter to each partner. Now understand that these two items, basically it is a one item relating to salary, but as the salary amount is different, we may calculate it in the two forms. That salary has not been given to the partners. Please understand what would be the effect. Effect was there that due to this salary which was not given to the partners, firm's profit was more, because these salaries are expense on the part of the firm and income of the partner. So due to this, the firm's profit was more and they were taken over by the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Then very important thing is there, very important, that they distributed the profit for the year ended 31st March rupees 9 lakh without providing for the following, and profit they had already divided. So here we have to understand the effect that the salary effect or the salary amount being taken by the partners in their profit sharing ratio. तो अब हम करेंगे क्या कि as per the partnership agreement or deed, the salary should be credited to the partners, and second thing, the profit which they had already taken in their ratio of 2:1:1, that will be taken back from them. So let's understand how the adjustment will be done. Salary 1,80,000 to A as per the statement 15,000 per month multiplied by 12, 1,80,000. Salary to B and D rupee 30,000 per quarter. Don't multiply 30,000 into 12. Multiply 30,000 into 4, because the salary is per quarter and the year has 4 quarters. So for B and D, the salary is there 1,20,000 and 1,20,000. No salary is given to C here. Note down, no salary is given to C. So what would be here? So the total amount of the salary which the partners has not taken, that is 3 lakh plus 1,20,000, 4,20,000. So this 4,20,000 being taken by the partners as salary, and that 4,20,000 will be taken by the partners in their profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1:1. So that amount of total amount of 4,20,000 will be distributed in the partners as 1,60,000, 1,60,000, 80,000, 80,000. How? This is with reference to their profit sharing ratio 2:1:1. The amount of rupees 4,20,000, that is 1,80,000, 1,20,000, 1,20,000 total 420, will be debited to them in their profit sharing ratio of 2:1:1. So this way we will debit to them, and then the adjustment should be taken 3,40,000, 2,80,000, 80,000, 2 lakh. This total amount is to be credited to them, but they had already shared this profit of 9 lakh in the ratio of 2:1:1. ये जो 9 लाख है ये ऑलरेडी अपनी प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में वो ले चुके हैं 2:1:1 की रेशियो में. So that will be debited to them, and then the net adjustment will be done this way. So A should have the credit of 40,000, B should have a debit of 20,000, C should have a debit of 70,000, D would have a credit of 50,000. So an adjustment entry will be recorded this way. B's capital account will be debited with 20,000, C's capital account will be debited with 70,000, B's capital debit with 20,000, C's capital account debit with 70,000, to A's capital 40,000, to D's capital 50,000. So this way we had calculated and make the adjustment relating to the closed accounts with reference to the very important item of salary to the partners, and we had calculated accordingly. So this way we had understood one very simple example relating to this. Let's understand one more important example. Question number 44. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 1:3. They have omitted interest on capital 8% per annum for 2 years. Please understand their profit sharing ratio is 1:3 and interest on capital they had omitted calculated for 2 years. Their fixed capital is 4 lakh, 6 lakh and 8 lakh. Pass the necessary journal entry. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate 8% interest on their fixed capital for 2 years. That amounts to for A's capital 8% on 4 lakh for 2 years, 64,000. 8% for B's capital 6 lakh, it's 48 into 2, 96,000. And on C's capital 8 lakh into 8 by 100 for 2 years, 1,28,000. This interest on capital we had calculated for 2 years because they had omitted for 2 years. Then the total amount is there. This total amount which is credited to them will be debited to them. Why we debited to them? Because by this interest on capital which was not earlier provided, they had taken it as a part of profit. So that will be taken back from them. ये अमाउंट उनसे हम वापस ले लेंगे और उसको डेबिट करेंगे. बट डेबिट किस रेशो में करेंगे? बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है 1:2:3. इंटरेस्ट हमने किस रेट से दिया? 8% से. कितनी ड्यूरेशन का? 2 years का. दैट टू बी क्रेडिटेड टू देम. ये हमने उनको क्रेडिट कर दिया. टोटल 2,88,000. ये 2,88,000 विल बी टेकन बैक फ्रॉम देम. उनसे वापस ले लेंगे बिकॉज दे आर टेकन द एक्सेस प्रॉफिट. बट that will be taken in the ratio of 1:2:3. तो 1:2:3 की रेशियो में जब इसको डेबिट करेंगे, you would find a difference that A require a credit of 16,000, B had no effect, C require a debit of 16,000. So the adjustment entry will be C's capital account debit to A's capital account with 16,000. जिसको डेबिट करना है उसको डेबिट करें. C is here to be debited. A is required to be credited, so the adjustment entry will be here. C's capital account debit to A's capital account. Let's understand one more example. A, B and C are partners sharing in the ratio of 5:1. After the final accounts have been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawings had not been taken into consideration. Interest on drawings amounted to rupees 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. नोट करें ये 8, 6 और 4,000 to be taken from the partners and it is the income of the firm. Interest on drawings to be debited to them here. पहले हमने ऊपर के क्वेश्चंस में देखिए हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्रेडिट किया. यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स डेबिट होगा. 8,000, 6,000, 4,000 as the amount is given. Total amount is 18,000. This 18,000 will be now credited. Again understand, interest on drawings is the income of the firm and it is the loss of the partner. So it will be debited here first. यहाँ पर interest on drawings जो होगा वो debit होगा 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000 and the total amount of 18,000 will be credited here in their profit sharing ratio of 5:1. This total amount of 18,000 we will credit them in their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:1. 10,000 to A, 6,000 to B, 2,000 to C. This will be nullified. 18,000 debit, 18,000 credit. Now check the net difference. For A require a debit of 8,000, credit of 10,000. So net effect 2,000 credit. B 6,000 debit, 6,000 credit, no difference, no effect. C 4,000 debit, 2,000 credit, so net effect 2,000 debit. So an adjustment entry will be recorded by debiting to whom? C. He got a debit of 2,000. So entry will be C's capital account debit 2,000 to A's capital account 2,000. So this way we will record adjustment in the closed accounts or past adjustment. I would continue in my next video to the next part that is associated with the guarantee of minimum share of profits to a partner.